this walking tour in Penn University, University of Pennsylvania, Pennsylvania University in Philadelphia. Bit chilly outside, but it's a nice sunny day.
There's some lecture halls over there. This is office space.
Edward Fox Smith, Provost, teacher investigator friend. Sabine Bull Tim,
Provost of the university.
Provost of the university from 1911.
What's the difference between a provost and a president?
Yeah, it's kind of president.
Like rector. Yeah, it's Penn University. It's library. Nice building.
Sounds like a theater. We don't know.
Он основал университет этот Франклин.
Yeah, we see like it's first university which got a name university in United States.
They had a campus on 9th Street and Market Street.
Yeah.
Yeah, so they used to be on both sides of the Schuylkill River, but then they just kind of moved over to this side.
It's nice. Compare it's like I think it's bigger campus, but
By area.
yeah, I wish I was studying somewhere like that. Because we had a shitty place. We had 3 buildings and that's it. And then 5 dormitories. And it was 1 block like this, right? And that's it.
Yeah. Yeah.
But this is like the undergraduate area that we're walking through right now.
We spent our earlier young years middle of nowhere.
Like that's also UPenn Medical.
Uh-huh.
They have like a large medical area.
It's a medical school here, yeah?
I think this might be a hospital. Actually, I don't know.
They have teaching hospital.
There's also like a nursing building too. Я еще
Смотрите, так дома красивые, чуть.
Okay, yeah, so that's the University of Pennsylvania's hospital. The thing I pointed out before was the UPenn Emergency Medicine Pavilion. That's emergency medicine. And
Тут вони
Penn Hospital.
действительно treat people.
Yes. That's the hospital.
And the
There's also a children's hospital in Pennsylvania further down.
also UPenn.
I don't think it's, no, I think it's different. But I think it's just on there. There's a few hospitals and stuff. It's like Discovery District over there if you just keep walking. The undergraduate dormitories are over there. It's like if you go, there's some movies. Like a lot of like movies that are set like in an Ivy school are set in there, but I can't get in. So I remember seeing this. Because the only people who can get in are people who are undergraduates, for obvious reasons. No, this was the kind of famous walk.
What if you didn't have to? Why would you like put that on
So you see pictures of UPenn, you often see this like this pathway.
But it's nice. I really like it.
It's a good idea, but I know how serious the school is.
I usually don't go this way.
No?
I don't have much stuff here, right?
Oh, what is that? Like a walk? What is a building? It's like
That
a.
is the office of the vice provost of University of Life. I mean, this is mostly like offices in different like centers. No.
Значить, що можна відкрити і а це може ти казав, що чартер возить, це теж UPenn services.
You mean like the bus thing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So they run.
Or, I don't know. It's overpriced.
А то що за гарний будинок, же, Лукас?
The name Ram was first used in the 1981 model year Dodge trucks. It was just a name for the Dodge trucks.
Ще щось не то. Джуліета, що ти мені розказувала, що RAM така сама стара компанія, яка траки робить, як Ford?
Вона стара,
It's
да?
from 1980.
No. Dodge іде. Dodge Ram, це те саме, воно Evolution робило.
1980.
No.
This is the first Ram, 1989 Ram, or first generation.
Don't talk Ram, say Dodge.
Well, Dodge is an old company, yes.
Yes.
But Ram is not an old name.
Well, it's a new name, but
Yeah.
it's the same company.
Sure, Dodge is old.
Dodge.
Papa was saying that Ram is older than Dodge.
No, Dodge. It
Dodge
started
is-
with Dodge.
Окей. You
And then
messed
came
me.
up with logo, Ram, цього.
That's something like a
Це було
Mustang.
в 80.
That's all I'm
Yeah.
saying. It's not the same thing as a Mustang.
Воно таке саме, вони компletely Ford. Так, правда.
Yeah, so. Let's turn around and go home. I don't think there's much else.
Замерз?
First game.
А що це було таке?
Sure.
Що це було за доми?
It's a testing center. It's where they do a bunch of COVID tests.
Oh.
I usually have it done. There's another inside
Did
of
you have to pay?
No, I didn't have it here. There's another COVID testing site inside of a building over there, which is closer to where I'm sitting.
Where's the university store?
It's on the street. We can go and go if you want to go.
Yeah.
There's not really much more that way, I don't think.
University Starbucks restaurant. Ну да. Nice historical building. Another institute